YouTube, it's Mimi LeVay and welcome to my foot care routine. As y'all can see, my feet are crusty and dusty, crusty, musty, crusty, dusty, lusty, tusty, musty, fusty. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be using my tea tree oil as a foot soak. I am going to be pouring that into my foot spot and I'm going to just use that to soak. I won't use nothing else. And I'm going to just soak my feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do longer, but I don't like it longer just because the water gets cold. So I like the water to be nice and hot. So once I am done with my foot soak, y'all, I'm gonna go in and scrub my feet real good with this foot sponge. It's like a foot sponge slash pumice, and it has like a bunch of different essential oils in it, soap, and it's just really good for cleaning your feet before you do anything else. So now I'm gonna go in with my Dr. Teal's foot scrub and my exfoliation gloves, and I'm just gonna scrub my feet real good with that. This just helps remove some of the dead skin. Obviously y'all know how I feel about exfoliation if you watched any of my other videos, and when it comes to your feet, honey, exfoliation is 10 times more important because your feet are one of the most dry and rough parts of your body, and if you don't scrub them, if you don't exfoliate them, then what are you doing? Because they're gonna stay dry and rough. Now y'all, I'm just rinsing my feet off, and then I'm gonna go in and switch my water out, just because y'all, I don't like using the same water because look at it, it's starting to get dirty, all that dead skin and dirt. Switch your water out. Switch your water out. Anyway, y'all, I'm going in with a foot grater and scrubbing my feet some more. I gotta say that one of the biggest parts of foot care is definitely just scrubbing your feet. Like, if you watch any foot care video or know anything about foot care, you know that the biggest thing is just getting rid of all that dead skin and dirt off of your feet. So every time I use a foot grater on my foot, y'all, I like to go in with a buffer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit of soap on my feet, just because, y'all, I don't know, I like putting soap on there when I use like most of the products, just because it just makes me feel like a little bit more clean. But honestly, y'all, I really got to be honest and say that using these products on dry feet is probably the best way to go. I don't know why it's the case, but it gets rid of a lot more of like the dead skin and stuff. So I would suggest like going in and really scrubbing your feet with like a petty egg. That's what I usually use, a petty egg, and like really getting rid of that dead skin when your feet are dry. So I am going in and cleaning out from underneath my nails. A lot of dead skin and dirt piles up under your nails, and y'all, I don't really cut my nails a lot. I usually leave them pretty long, so I definitely have to make sure I don't skip this step for sure. After that, y'all, I'm gonna go in with my cuticle remover and just get rid of all the little dead skin on the side, the excess skin, the ingrowns, all that.
Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe?
So now y'all, I'm gonna go in with my electrical foot foul, foot buffer, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go in with that and get rid of some more of that dead skin. Like I said, y'all, getting rid of that dead skin is definitely key.
Here with me, we could be always, 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 do, yeah, that easy break can make her never wanna leave, so we stay always.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
So now that I done got done removing all the dead skin and dirt, y'all, I'm gonna go back in with my foot brush and really get a good scrub on my feet just to get anything that's left over, any excess, off.
You want some love, be like when you feel caught in the midnight.
Now, like I said earlier, y'all, I really don't cut my nails too much. I will go in and file them real good. And if I have any like hanging nails or anything after I get done filing them, then I will go and like cut that off. But for the most part, I really leave my nails the same length. And I just go in and file them and shape them and stuff.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
So in order to get anything that might have been left over by me filing my toenails, I will go back in with my foot brush and just scrub my toes really, really well. So now, y'all, I'm gonna go in and dry my feet off real good, and then I'm gonna get into the polishing. I use these new foot toe separators, y'all. And y'all, these motherfuckers was hard as hell to get on. Why was they so hard to get on? I was not expecting them to be this hard to get on. I'm used to the little ones that they give you at the nail shop. So like, I wanted to try something different, and they were so hard to get on, but I figured it out on the second foot. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go in with my pink nail polish, y'all. I really love to use like powder colors, like really light colors, just because like I feel like they go real well with like brown skin, at least my brown skin. But yeah, I don't like using like the dark colors and stuff like that. Obviously, like in the summertime, you want to use like yellows, pinks, greens, light blues, like the light colors. Like, don't nobody want to wear dark purple in the middle of the summer or when summer is just starting. Like, that's giving fall.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
So once I let my polish fully dry, y'all, I'm gonna go in and moisturize my feet. I'm gonna go in with my Dr. Teal's foot cream, and then after that I'm gonna follow up with my cocoa butter balm and just really give my foot a nice good rub down massage. That wraps up this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely be seeing y'all in my next video.